Okay guys, well, they say when it rains it pours, and obviously here it pours because we live in Seattle. Ha ha ha. So my wife's car broke again, and yeah, this is not really fun, and seems like I'm recording the same thing over and over, which I just want to be transparent and show you the reality what's happening. But this is like, I don't know, like, you know, I'm pretty sure some of you guys had this experience that I'm having right now. You know, everything's all good, your car works, and then all of a sudden it's just like one part breaks, you fix it, then second part breaks. Then you fix the second part, then third part breaks. And so on and so on. You're like, what is going on? So, not to complain, I'm just complaining, obviously, but yeah. So the problem that we have, the second problem that we have, is this candle right here. So, yeah, obviously, when you get in the car, you can get out. Yay! So this break, but to figure out what really happened, I hope it's just the connection. Like there's like a small rope. I believe it's an aircraft cable from here down to the latch or so, or something like that. I hope that break or something. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But yeah, I hope it's cheap because it's Mercedes, you know, and everything is cheap. Yeah. And then the thing that I'm really kind of annoyed is I made a video how I'm fixing the squeaky noise coming out of that engine, and guess what happened? It starts squeaking again. Like, I believe like 2-3 days later, I got this noise. I'm pretty sure that this is worse than before. So obviously, somehow I managed, instead of fixing the car, making it worse. Yay! Yeah. Like, what's there? Like, for real. Like, so, and I keep telling you guys, I'm not a sponsor or anything. I just prefer to, you know, pay premium or whatever. But I got a new one. Like I said, this one is a lifetime warranty. So if this keep happening, I'll just keep returning the parts until, you know, get it right. So I'm not gonna re-show everything all over again because there's a video for it with this exact car. So I'm just gonna show you the end. Yeah, let's do it. I hope you guys are not hating right now because I'm re-showing you what I really kind of did. But on my previous video, there was not really that bad. I was quick. I just wanted to show you what's the difference and actually just spread real quick. So if you guys see the pulley right there, instantaneously everything just went quiet. So that's what I have over here. Let's swap it. Okay guys, just replaced it. Cross my fingers. I haven't really tested it, so I'm gonna start right now, and if it doesn't work, you guys can come and eat it. What about that? Let's do it. I cannot make up this. Like, I don't know. You guys tell me, but I'm gonna figure it out. Okay guys, I think I figured it out. I'm not 100% sure until we get the part and replace it. You know, then we'll know for sure. But I'm thinking is actually this middle pulley, which is a, you know, brand new one. So when it come, I'll replace it and I'll let you guys know. Now in the meantime, let's actually fix something in this video because this is ridiculous. So we have this problem here with the door where, well, you guys can see. So let's take it apart and let's see what we're gonna find behind this door number one. Let's go. Okay guys, so after further inspection, I don't know if it's obvious, but this is the back of the handle, and obviously it's in a piece because this part connects, this is falling, this part connects with this end right here. So yeah, so now I need to order a new handle, and then I can actually accomplish something, because obviously right now, yeah, it's not really working. So let me get the parts and I'll see you in a few. Okay guys, so it's a different day. Finally got the parts. Can you believe it? It took a little bit. So let me show you. The handle came with a new clip thing, screws. I'll show you where all of those gonna go, and then we have like a pin that's supposed to go right here on the bottom. So the idea here is we need to drill all of these white tabs, the ones that got melted. So we need to drill them, take them out, even these black ones as well, even these two square ones here. I'll see if I can, I don't know, I'll see. And the idea is to be able to separate this piece out of the door shell. So then when we get everything out, you know, we're gonna take this entire piece out. When we take it out, then we're gonna deal with the rest of the, you know, the pin right here needs to be removed and all of that other stuff. But yeah, so first we're gonna take the screws out, the nuts, and then there is two Torx right here and take out, and then we're gonna deal with all of these rivets. And I'm gonna do rivet by rivet and apply pressure, and I want to see when I'm gonna be able to separate it, because I don't want to, you know, undo this bottom piece right here if I don't need to. So I'm just gonna stick to this couple guys right here, and yeah, we'll see where we're gonna go. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so I tried my best to see, you know, how much we're gonna drill, and I tried to drill as less as I can. And if you guys saw a couple times, actually with the drill, it wasn't like really that clean as much as I wanted to be. So let me just show you. So we have this guy here drilled, this guy here right here, you know, drilled as well. Connector right here for this light needs to be disconnected. This two needs to be drilled. This guy right here needs to be drilled. This guy, bottom ones right here, they need to be drilled. This guy here as well, you know, just basically all of that, and you should be good to go on theory. I mean, oh, and don't forget this connector as well. This connector sits right underneath this tape right here. So now we're good to go. When you guys do all of that, then you just guys need to separate, you know, and it will come out. It's not, you know, that easy, but you know, it's manageable. And this is the end result when everything is all out. The crazy thing is we are doing all of that only to be able to access this little pin right here on the bottom to be able to take out this handle. It's ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. All of this work just for this little pin. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys, but I'm gonna use one of the screws, screw it in, and then take the pin out, swap it, and then it's gonna be in reverse. Let's do it. Okay guys, so you guys can see the pin. I'm gonna use one of the screws and screw it in and then pull it out. Maybe. Okay, maybe we're gonna use a different screw, I guess. Okay, let's try that again. It just needs to grab a little bit. Come on. Okay, so let's try that again. And there you go. As you can see, the pin is out. We have a brand new pin with the kit. Now we can pull out the handle. You guys can compare the new and the old handle. You guys can see this is a Mercedes logo. This one doesn't have anything, but it seems like, oh man, this is chrome nickel. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, it's been more than a minute. It was actually a couple days. So I did another order and boom, there you go. Got it right here. So man, I'm like stupid on Square. So when you guys are ordering, you know, this part right here, I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys, but pay attention. If you guys, you know, handle is chrome, make sure you order a chrome, and then make sure it's either the left or the right, you know, side, correct one. And yeah, make sure if it's silver, because yeah, I didn't realize that. But yay, let's do it. Okay guys, so we got the handle all the way in. It's not going anywhere, hopefully. Now we need to put it back, and with these screws, we're gonna screw them back in. So let's do it. Okay guys, so we finally put it all together. There is a bunch of screws. You know, since we're removing these plastic melting pieces, I guess you can call them like a plastic rivets. Now we need to replace them with all of these little screws. So yeah, buddy. But now look. What do you guys think? Perfect. Looks as good as new. Yeah, buddy. Okay. So now I just need to wait for my wife to come back home and put it in and call it a day. Yeah, buddy. Boom, guys. So everything is good to go. We put it all together and you can see it works like new. I guess I should do it from the inside, huh? So boom, there you go. Hell yeah. Okay, so since it's been a couple days, I ordered a new pulley on top of it, an idling pulley. So let me throw that one away and let's see if it's gonna make a difference. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so I just barely got it replaced. Just crossed my finger that we got it fixed because I don't know what else could be. I mean, like, I replaced the first pulley, the second pulley, the idler, all the pulleys are replaced. Like, there is nothing to squeak here. I guess I can replace the belt if I don't know. Let's see. I think we got it, guys. Check it out. Maybe? Yes. Okay, boom. We got the door fixed. We got the engine squeaky thing fixed. Everything is fixed. If you guys stick that far, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.